Hey, good morning. You guys are getting ready to start your log cabin projects. One of the main differences from the first project, house project, to the log cabin will be a second story, but also a portion that is lofted. And so what that will mean is part of your second story will be open below. Let me show you what that means. Okay. Can you see this area right here? So we come up our stairwell, and then this area is kind of like a hangout spot, and then here's like a master bedroom, or a bedroom, not the master bedroom, but a bedroom with its own bathroom upstairs. But this area is open below. Let me show you what that looks like in 3D. You can see how there's a half wall right there, and then this is my main living area. So this is what you guys are going to attempt to do. And so this video is going to demonstrate how to do that. One thing to keep in mind is notice how in this lofted area I don't have any other like rooms, at least that are open, such as a bathroom or a closet. So I'm not like looking in down below, so into those rooms. Just keep it kind of wide open, make it like a living area or a kitchen that's going to be with the higher ceilings. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here is my first story, right? I'm going to add a second story. And again, remember, your second story doesn't have to necessarily fill 100% of the second story, but it can. Okay, and I want to loft like this portion right here. Well, right now I used a full-size wall. That's not going to work. Okay, so I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to use instead what's a half wall, straight half wall. And so now what I can do is look over the edge of that wall. Now the floor is still there, correct? I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to click into that room, go to the structure tab, and then I am going to check this box that says floor under this room. I'm going to hit OK. So now we're almost there. All right. We can see over the ledge here down into the main living area. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is see this trim here, baseboard. I want to get rid of that in that room. So I'm going to go to moldings, uncheck the default box, and hit delete on this base molding and hit OK. So now that is not there anymore. And then the other thing that I think I want to do is I want to get rid of the ceiling. And so I want it to be kind of like open and match like the structure of the roof. And so I think I'll do that for my entire second floor actually. So I'm going to go here to structure again and take the ceiling out over each of these rooms. And so now you can see there's a lofted area. Let me know if you have any questions.